Apfel Dr. Germany. My name is Ben and welcome to the micro soldering show. And today we start by just getting some devices finished. What do we have here? Here we have only 1% on an iPhone 7, not 8, iPhone 7. Okay, let's go. I give you right on the enhanced camera and then we will have a look what we can do here. Okay? So we get the screws out. We take a lightning cable, get it to the USB amp meter, plug it in, and what do we see? We see nothing. Nothing do we see. But why? The shop who mailed the device in writes, I got only 1%. Only 1% the whole time. Let's see. Somebody claimed my spatcher. I think could be David. I take this one. Normally I only use my own spatcher. I will have a look later where I can find it. Okay, what's that? Let's have a look. Let's have a look on this beautiful Wednesday morning. What do we have here? Okay, let's see. Do you see that? This connector is really a mess. It's fucked up and we have to replace that. Nice. Nice. I can't understand. It's another shop. Why they act like this? They tried to change the charging port, and on changing the charging port they just fucked up the FPC. I don't want to say any bad things about other repair shops. That's not my intention. Okay. We work with a lot of other repair shops and all is fine and all is good, but I think when you do repairs on devices of customers, you should do that in a way where, because the customers, they trust you. They come in your shop and they just trust you. They think, okay, this is the wrong screw. They think, okay, I go to a shop and they can fix my phone and they do it in the right way. So when people trust me that I can do a repair, then I have to do it in a way where customers can trust me because I know what I do. You know what I mean? So I'm happy for the repair, no problem. I'm happy for every repair I can do because I love repairing. I love micro soldering. Really, I love it with my whole heart. I got a tattoo over my arm with a microscope and an iPhone logic board and some other things, and it's not finished until now. So I really love what I do. You can trust me. But for me, the thing is, when I teach at a bottle level repair school, I always tell our students, don't do things when you don't know what to do. Okay? So when you get in a repair and you can't do it, mail it in to another shop. Okay. So I give you straight away to the microscope. I get another board. Let me get another board for iPhone 7. And let me have a look at this FPC. It's okay. And this FPC is fucked up, really. So let's get up this. Some people wrote under my videos that the microscope cam would not be good. Can't understand that because it's really not a cheap China camera. It's really a amazing and expensive camera. So I can't understand why some people say the camera would not be good, but I try to get a better image. So now let's go renew the FPC, and then we should have solved the charging issue. Have a look at the other FPCs. Here's some dirt. Okay, waiting for the preheater to warm up, getting activated the hot air. So when I take it out, I use more heat as when I take in. So if the plastic melts a little bit on getting out, it's no problem for me. For me, it's important that it, when I solder the new one down, it's clean. Okay, now I just have to get out this FPC. Okay, come on, little FPC. Done. Took it out. Now just cleaning the pads. Therefore I use some wick. And I always work from two sides. One time from the bottom, one time from the top. Okay. You see, the pads are clean. Now I can just take contact cleaner and oil painting brush. Okay, looks really nice and clean, I think. Just want to take a photo for Instagram. And now we get up some flux. Take the solder iron, and now I use some solder from the roll, some solder wire, 183 melting point, and get it here to the board. See here, I need a little bit more flux. Okay. Now just clean one more time. See, it looks good. After that we can get out the new FPC we want to use. Oh, it's the A11, but it is the same FPC, so we can take that. But I have a look for a 10, here. Oh, this FPC looks good. So just get up this, put some flux and get it out. Take some more bottom heat now and some less hot air amount, because I don't want to melt the plastic at all. Just have to wait a little bit longer time until I can get out. Soon it will come. See, it melts. Here we are, we got it. And we got it nice. So now we have to get in the new connector. Just do picture. And then we use some flux. And get in the new FPC. Sit it in. Oh, here's some dirt. Just take it away. Place it. Hey, come on to me, baby. Okay, looks good. And now just solder it down. And you see it comes directly. Directly to the point. Okay, done. That's why we use 183 on soldering them connectors. So now let's have a look. For clean work. Okay, all is well connected. Other side the same. Okay, so now let's check if we have solved the problem. I just don't know if the lightning they used works. Ah, okay. They used this crap lightning with a fake home button, so no. This was the first version for the now. Later they come the JC home buttons. That's crap too. Don't know why people act like this. Can't imagine. No. I don't want to use this. One moment, please. One moment. Here I get a test lightning. I don't use the scrap lightning out of this device. Then the connector is fucked up again within seconds. Okay. Can't understand people why they do work like this. I have to speak to that customer and tell him when he repairs phones he should do it in a right way, not in that way. Okay? Because otherwise I don't want to work with people they do work like this. Don't like it. Okay, so plug in the battery. And we got about 700 milliamps right away on current flow. So the switch line should work again and we should see correct percentage. Okay, they got an original home button here, I think. Don't know if it's the button for this, but they used a crap lightning. Have a look at this. What's that? Okay, so device is working again. You see the right percentage on the top. We got 66% of battery, and the device is charging about 800 milliamps. All is fine. So our repair was successful. Now I will talk to the other repair shop and ask him why he uses things like that, and tell him that he should do it in another way. Okay? So I'm out. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a basic how to replace an FPC connector on an iPhone 7 logic board. If you want to learn things like that, you can do that on the Board Level Repair School, Germany. And if you are a technician in the repair industry, if you got your own business in the repair industry, if you are a seller of goods for the repair industry, you can come to our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Yours Ben. Goodbye.